Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home nestled on a sprawling 1.47-acre parcel of lush greenery. The living room offers a cozy retreat with its cathedral ceiling and a bay window that frames picturesque views of the expansive lawn. The heart of the home, the kitchen, features elegant wood cabinets with a cherry accent, adding a touch of sophistication to the space. The primary suite is a true sanctuary, boasting a spa-like bathroom complete with a jetted tub for relaxation after a long day. Discover the inviting split-bedroom floor plan, designed for optimal privacy and functionality. Step outside to the screened porch and immerse yourself in the tranquil sounds of nature while enjoying your morning coffee or evening relaxation. As we travel down the expansive driveway, you'll notice the convenience of the side entry garage, providing ample parking space, and there's plenty of room for all your vehicles and outdoor toys. Located just 1 block from the rails to Trails Withlacoochee State Trail, outdoor enthusiasts will delight in 47 miles of paved bike paths, perfect for exploring the scenic beauty of the area. This property offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and outdoor adventure. Don't miss your chance to stake your claim on this slice of paradise. Contact us today to schedule your viewing.